Today's wildlife topic is about peacocks. We'll know some of the interesting facts of peacock. Peafowl peacock. Peafowl is a term given to two species of bird which are members of the pheasant family. The Indian peafowl Pavo cristatus is a native bird to the Indian subcontinent, and the green peafowl Pavo muticus breeds from East Burma to Java. Males are known as peacocks and females as peahens. The peacock is the national bird of India. Peacocks are well known for their magnificent, beautiful tail feather display during courtship. The peacock's brilliant train contains over 200 shimmering feathers, each one decorated with eye spots. The male Indian peacock has iridescent coloring of blue and green on its head, neck, and breast. The long trains are not the tail quill feathers but elongated upper tail feather coverts. The train is bronze and green and has a series of eyes which are more prominent when the tail is fanned. The Indian peafowl actual tail feathers are short and grey in color and can only be seen from behind when the tail is extended and fully fanned. The males display the beautiful fan trains as a part of their courtship behavior to the peahens. During the molting season, the males shed their train feathers and their grey quill feathers are more obvious. Female peafowl lack the bright colors of the male and have a more duller appearance, which is common in many other bird species. Peahens are generally brown in color with lighter underparts. They also lack the upper tail coverts. They may have some iridescent green coloring on the neck. Both male and female peafowl have crests on the top of their heads, which are also present on the green peafowl species. Green peafowl differ in appearance to the Indian peafowl in that the male has a green and a gold plumage and their wings are black with a sheen of blue. Unlike the Indian peafowl, green peahens are similar to the green peacocks, only having shorter upper tail feather coverts and slightly less iridescent in some parts. In the months where the male has no train, it is difficult to tell females and males apart. Peafowl are large birds with males measuring up to 2.3 meters in length and females being smaller at 86 centimeters in length. The tail length of the male peafowl can be 4 to 5 feet and a peacock weighs about 9 to 13 pounds and a peahen weighs 6 to 9 pounds. Like other members of Galliformes, both male and female peafowl have sharp, powerful metatarsal spurs, also known as kicking thorns, which they use to defend themselves against the predators. Their legs are strong and have 3 strong toes facing forward and 1 facing backwards. Because the wing surface to body weight ratio is not large, most species of peafowl are incapable of long flights. Apart from the Indian peafowl and the green peafowl, 1 or 2 mutations have been developed by those kept in captivity. One of them is the white peafowl species called the Indian white peafowl, and another species found in the rainforest of the Central Africa is the Congo peafowl. Peafowl habitat. Peafowl are mainly ground-dwelling birds, preferring forest and farmlands. They can also be found in the bushlands and the forest. Many will nest on the ground while some will be roost in trees. Peafowl diet. Peafowl are omnivorous and the diet consists of plants and flower petals, seeds, ants, termites, ticks and locusts. They will also eat some small reptiles such as young cobra snakes, arthropods and amphibians. Peafowl mating behavior and the peafowl reproduction. The peacock is the classic example of the sexual selection influencing evolution. Studies prove that peahens prefer to mate with the most impressive males, displaying the largest number of eye spots in their tails. Studies have also shown that the males with the larger eye spots tend to father bigger, healthier, and fitter young that are more likely to survive, proving that the beauty of the peacock is more than the skin deep. Peacocks molt their tail feathers around August time and being to regrow them. During courtship, the male spreads his train of feathers and makes it shiver to attract the female. The male will often back towards the receptive female, swinging around to confront her with the magnificence of his display before taking several steps back and bowing. The display is followed by the male vocalizing very loud calls known as crows that are even louder than a rooster crow. If the peahen is impressed, she will join his harem of females, for like most male birds which are highly ornamented plumage, the peacock is polygamous. Females are well equipped for their maternal role with their discreet cryptic coloration. Males play no part in rearing the young and be so conspicuous would probably be a liability in a way of camouflage. Peahens generally reach breeding age at around 2 years, peacocks at around 3 years. Peahen lay 6 to 12 brownish buff colored eggs from April to September. They are laid in a nest which are being scratched out in the ground and lined with grass. The peahen will sit upon the eggs and incubate them for 28 days. Pea chicks are born weighing 3.6 ounces, fully feathered, and can fly within a couple of weeks. They must learn to fly quite soon in order to stay with their mothers when roosting in trees to ensure survival from predators. Pea chicks are taught how to eat and how to make a variety of sounds by the peahen. Under the age of 1 year, young peafowl are called pea chicks. A male train of feathers will not be present for 3 years and will develop over this time. The lifespan of a healthy peafowl can be 40 to 50 years. Now, the peafowl conservation status. The International Union for Conservation of Nature lists the green peafowl as vulnerable to extinction due to hunting and a reduction in the extent and the quality of habitat.